Billy Duncan here, and I'm with William. Today we're doing the woodwork challenge. She's doing it as well, and I'll see you when we're in the setup, as usual. So guys, that's actually a better setup. William, I'll start.
Wait.
If you didn't see my video on doing the draft simulator or my crossbar challenge with Brandon, go and check them out first. But anyway, let's get started. Pass.
Billy, he's over there because it's recorded, and we're just going to make the angle a bit better.
So guys, I'm going to hit this.
Wait, I'm just doing the angle.
2 minutes, guys.
So
guys, I'm starting.
Left post is this one.
Left post is
Left post.
that one. Right post is that one. Crossbar, and you need to hit all three once. So I'm starting.
He got lucky. I don't think we take. We'll take.
I took mine to here. You need to take yours at the same place.
This is turn. Right, my turn.
Oh, I was going for crossbar and push at the same time.
That would have been nice. Right, his turn. Let's see.
No, that was so close to bouncing back off the wall.
But that wouldn't have counted.
I would have.
Nah,
I
I wouldn't have gave that one. The ground's so slippery.
You know that it was raining last night.
Suarez. Did that hit off the back?
It hit there.
Oh. Let's do this. I'm hitting this. Yes, I'm gonna get the ball.
You hit it, well done. William,
Crossbar.
since this is not going to take long in the video, we need to hit each one twice.
What?
Make it, we need to hit left post twice, right post twice, and crossbar twice.
No.
Aye, since it's going to be so short.
It wouldn't be short.
I don't know.
Missing them.
Ready? Try and hit one.
Right, let's do this. Getting him another. Right, let's do this.
You've got left post, I've got right post left.
Yeah.
Hiya. So guys, if I hit this, I'll win. Oh no!
So guys, I have to hit left post, and then we're gonna do each one again. So
Exactly, so guys, no one's going to win so far. Someone needs to hit it for a chance. Yes.
it hit the held back off the wall. This is that.
No, it doesn't. You said it doesn't, you're older, so it doesn't.
It's harder to get the post that you want, especially if it's on like the weaker side of your foot. So you kind of really get with your pillar. You know what I mean?
That's not strong side that I'm
No, like if you hit it like that side, like it's easier just hitting it that way where the side of your foot is on. If you know what I mean.
Bye bye.
I'll get that one.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. So guys, I'm going to hit this.
Shit.
The shouts! Oh no. Oh my god! That nearly hit my William. William. William.
That should turn as much twice.
That nearly hit my GoPro, eh?
Your phone.
GoPro.
Phone. I already said that they're phones.
Yeah, I was only kidding, guys.
That's my double crossbar.
No.
You could have
You
went
need to hit that
crossbar.
when you're on, but anyway. You need to hit, if you hit crossbar first, you can't go for that until you hit the 2 next. So it doesn't count. Yes, guys, I'm gonna win!
And that's what he thinks.
I'm gonna hit it with my weak foot, see if I can get it. William, weak foot, do you think I'll get it? William, William, weak foot.
Oh, I thought you were just about hitting that. No.
It's taking longer than I thought.
It's only been 6 minutes.
That's it. Put in the bin.
There's someone calling. Tell them to feck off.
No lies! No lies! It hit the wall, bounced off the wall as you saw, and then it just stunned it like that.
If that hit,
I've even got
I
videos of
get a
it!
like if that hit. That definitely hit, I get a like. A like equals that crossbar actually hit, so.
Oh no! Oh no, I'm getting closer and closer each time. Hey!
Right, so guys, have to finish it. Oh my god. This camera angle, let's change you up and move you over here. So,
Here we go, guys.
and you missed anyway.
That was a practice shot.
Nah,
Aye.
I get practice.
You would have done that.
But have I?
You would have.
But never.
I think
My
it's
turn. My
Well,
turn.
Wait. Did you know here? Did you know here?
It's fine. Right, let's do this.
Finished it.
The camera angle made me win.
Pass it. I've
He's
still
got
got
1 of 10. He's got 1 of 10. I'm gonna give him 1 of 10. Let's see. Okay. Gonna be the angle. It's gonna be the new angle. So, will I do it? You hit the back.
Yes, I won.
I won. Okay.
So guys, someone finally bet me a challenge.
Right, so I win. Yay, baby boy.
Anyway,
Do this.
watch this go. Say peace. Say peace.
Piecey bread.
Peace out.